Hello students, welcome back in our new session. In this session we will discuss about initialization of an object by reference variable. So what are the reference variable and how we can declare reference variable inside the program, inside the class. So let's discuss with an example. So suppose we have one class. So that is suppose we have one class that is animal. Okay, we have discussed all these things in previous section. So in this class, one condition is being occurred that every class must have their methods. So the animal class have the method eat and run. Okay, so eat and run. But condition is also there that these methods will be called or accessed by the object which has been created inside the class. So class is animals and object is here like dog. So this is what this is object. So we called it and we named that dog Joy. So Joy basically a name of an object which is capable to access these methods. Now we will see in the program. So here we have one class that is class animal. This is opening braces, opening body of the class. Inside we will declare reference variables. Suppose we have declared two reference variables. First is string color and int age. So we are mentioning here the two variables which will occupy the color of the object and age of the object. Now we will use the main method, that is public static void main string arguments. Now inside this is the body of main method. Inside this how we will call these reference variable using the object. So first we will create the object. So how we will create the object? Using the class name. So here we will use the class name, then object name Joy equals to new and class name. So here we treated as this class as a constructor. We will declare it later. Now we use the object name with dot operator and reference variables. So Joy dot color, and here we will assign the value to this reference variable which will be occupied by the object or accessed by the object. So here this is black. Same like for another reference variable Joy dot age equals to 20. This is the Joy dot age equals to 20. Now we will print the values of reference variables. So how we will write? So we will write simply system dot out dot println Joy dot color, then double quotes space plus, then plus double quotes. This is for making the space between two values. So here we are using two values, then Joy dot age. So this is simply, and this is the closing braces of the main method and this is closing braces of the class. So this is complete example program of reference variable in which we are just declaring two reference variable. These are the color of string type and age of int type, and these are calling inside the main method. So here main method, how we will call? Using the object name. So we are just creating here object what? Animal Joy. Joy is the object name equals to new animal. So by using the new keyword we are I am creating the object that is named Joy. So here now Joy is an object that is used to call the reference variables. So Joy dot color, and in between we are using dot operator. So dot operator basically is used to access the reference variables or methods using the object. So joy dot object equals color equals to black, and joy dot age equals to 20, and finally we are just printing these values. So just like we can easily access the values using the reference variables. So I hope you got some valuable information regarding the reference variables. If you have any doubts, you can write us in our comment box. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.